How are you folks? Chris Varley with Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technology here. We're looking at our proprietary race feature here. I've created the scan relative strength from the open. I'm trying to find stocks that are strong relative to the open, so even on your down days, we're likely to find something moving somewhere. Is it always a great action? Well, no, of course not, right? But every day in the market's a little different. I can share the scan. It's customizable. You can make your own from scratch. We've got our picture-in-picture chart right here, so I can see a weekly chart inside of the daily chart. And what I want to next show off with this racing feature is this left side here. This is live data. This is what's coming in now, what's moving now relatively strong from the open. Now I run this scan all day long. We've gone into the post market here, and we can see Zcar strong going into the post market and holding up well. And that's why it's leading the race here. Right side is like a watch list for us, right? And I can see Zcar, I've got it sorted by top 10 winners. So there's the top 10 winners on the day. Zcar has been on the race all day and in focus all day. 39 wins. ACET, same concept. 20 wins today, in focus all day, very strong. This makes a great watch list because often things make a move up and a pullback, and we might forget about them on that pullback. And so this watch list here keeps those relevant stocks in focus for us here. If you like what you saw, you want to learn more about this, you're serious about your trading, not just looking for some get-rich-quick scheme, come and visit us, trade-ideas.com. We have a live support chat. Look for a blue need help bubble in the bottom right of our homepage. Again, trade-ideas.com. Come start a chat, see what we're about, and see how we might be able to help you take your financial future into your own hands. Take care.